Hello, this is a fantastic toast. Korea's special virus prevention system. Contact type infection. Contagion. When the coronavirus first spread in Korea, the fast delivery system prevent boldly Korea. You may deny, but each news is telling you. First of all, there was a big confusion and a week of sign. But with a fast and accurate delivery system, that the phenomenon didn't spread anymore. Ordering in the evening comes to the rocket system the next morning with items placed on the front door. There is a concern that such an advanced delivery system could rather increase the spread of the virus. How is it that Korea has been holding out well so far without such side effect? What should we do in Korea? What do we have to enter with passport? The Korea system is roughly like this. We talked at the entrance to the apartment complex. We pass. Second, press the password at the entrance of each line, and you can get on an elevator and arrive at the front door of each house. With the support of the government, you might think the government would have released the money and made it like this. This is a result of voluntary gathering of opinions from residents at each organization and apartment management office. Most apartment has installed disinfectants in elevator. Of course, free items for the resident. Just because this item is installed, no one will steal it. The button area has been installed with a cover for easy disinfection and the reduction of virus infection. Depending on the apartment, we installed the sensors using feet. I don't think we can avoid the narrow space in the elevator. Instead, we are disinfecting elevator with the sterilizer thoroughly. I think each and every one of these efforts was able to gather and prevent the virus in advance. We will see what will happen in Korea, which has successfully blocked the spread of the virus by maintaining the right distance, roughly 2 meters.